So satu lagi 2, 4, 6, 6 link. Close again. Okay. So for all the adjustment, usually we take about 10 to 15 minutes. Depends what we are doing. So for this patient, like today we're doing adjustment. So it can be quite fast. Usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. So this patient, we are on the closing space stage. So we are going to close the front gap slowly. But because the patient has the midline shifted, so we're going to move the teeth one by one. Ini berapa ini? 10. Okay. So this is what we 12 kan? Okay. This is what we call the power chain. Yeah. Power chain usually to close the gap, then we put a power chain. Basically it's just a rubber band linked together. So when you put it on, then you will pull the teeth together. That's how we close the gap. So power chain also have different sizes. So this is what we call the short. Short usually is a medium strength. So we use it to close the gap on the bottom. And same for the top. So this patient, because of the midline shifted to the right side, we want to push the center line back to the middle. So we have to close the gap slowly. So by shifting the central incisor to the left one by one, so we can maintain and correct the midline. So patient temporarily will have a gap in the middle. That's very common. So now we are closing the gap on the central incisor. So you can see the central incisor moving to the center slowly. Then we push the lateral incisor to the middle, so we can maintain the midline. Oh, satu O-ring lagi, satu O-ring. Close. Okay. All right. That's it. We are done for the adjustment. So before I let the patient go, usually we'll check one more time just to make sure the wire is not sharp or the wire is not sticking up. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are done for the adjustment.